Is he moving? Oh, okay. Hey folks, John here. I'm making a video today. I took some movies with my Samsung SCDX205 video camera. I'll be just showing it up off a little. See? I got it on a little tripod. See it a little bit here. It opens up. Got a thing like that. You really can't see it onto the screen, but it's got a little screen on the camera. Looks like a little television, battery and whatnot. I used that earlier today. Really can't see very good on the webcam. Planning on getting me an HD and camcorder someday, but this one I'll probably be retiring this little webcam to use my camcorder because it takes better videos. So I'll be doing that. Oh, I mentioned I was playing the banjo. I got it out to show you what I did with it. I put the little strap on it and I replaced the rim here that was originally metal. I replaced it with wood because the metal was too heavy. And it is an open back. It is an Encore. It's an old Encore banjo that I got for $100 about 25 years ago. And I had to replace the fifth string peg, so I did that because that was all worn out. And originally had a metal rim, like I said. But when I got the wooden one, I had to drill the holes for these shoes. These things right here, onto the bracket. These brackets, they're called shoes. I had to replace them. But when I went to drill the holes, sadly, I misaligned them, and now they're all a little bit tilted. But it does sound nice. So I really need to pick up a new one. Got the little tail piece right here for it. Got a compensated bridge by Grover. Got a brand new Remo Weather King head. I really can't play a tune on it very well, but because I'm still learning. But I'll try. Just messing around with it. I'm not that good in the chords. I really haven't been practicing lately. It should be in tune. Patrick's going to say about this. You say, you need a new one, boy! Oh, well, put that aside. I really got to clean up my mess in my room. So don't mind the mess, folks. I still gotta clean up my room, straighten up my room. Okay, so this is next videos you'll see will be the backyard of our house in the woods here in Hopewell, New Jersey, and I hope you enjoy them after I install them. Take it easy. Bye bye. Bye bye for now.